Government officials and business leaders from Britain attending the 2023 China International Fair for Trade in Services in Beijing have hailed a broad cooperation prospect between the two countries in various fields. The United Kingdom, the guest country of honor of the 2023 CIPTIS, has assembled its largest ever delegation for the fair this year.
It is great that the UK has so many interesting businesses and innovative and world-leading businesses who are coming to CIFTIS this year to explore lots of opportunities to partner with Chinese companies. And I think there's a huge potential for us to work together on areas that are of global importance, whether it's green and sustainable development through financing or through pensions and tackling the problem of aging demographics.
80% of the UK economy is services, but only about 42% of our exports to China are services. So we really want to grow that. That's legal services, professional services, financial services. So I think there's a lot the UK can work with on China.
To be actually here in person this year, it's really fantastic. For people like me that trade internationally, this is the meeting place of the year, and we're interested in speaking to everybody here to see how we can work together.
Well, China is such an important market in the world, so all our biggest UK companies would like to come here to meet Chinese stakeholders and talk about opportunities with them, and it's a great way they can showcase to a global platform as well